Hello?
Honey, it's me.
Where are you?
At the station. I missed my train, so I'm going to be late.
Oh, that's too bad. Will you get back in time to pick up the kids?
I don't think so. Can you get them?
No problem.
Make sure they start their homework.
Don't worry. What time do you think you'll be home?
Probably in about an hour. How was your day?
Well, I worked for a few hours at the computer, and then I got sleepy, so I took a nap.
You took a nap? You're so lucky you work at home. I can't take a nap in the office, you know.
But I also did the laundry and the dishes. You can't do those things at the office.
Well, that's true. Hey, what's for dinner?
Chicken. It'll be ready when you get home.
I can't wait. I love your chicken.
And I love you. See you around 6:30?
I hope so. See ya.